Well, I've finished my box, my propane box. I bought these latches on Amazon. They're small enough. We don't need something huge. And I also bought the gasket. Good. This gasket, I got it at Lowe's. It just is glued on, so it seals it. And here's my little hose, where if any gas escapes, it's just gonna roll out through that little hole outside. Box is all sealed, and there's my propane right there. And it works really good, because you know, you're in the van, and if you have a leak of gas, even though you're above the tank, you don't want propane to get into your sleeping area. Look at, here's my reading lights that are in the back, so I can turn them on. There's the light, you can see it's pretty bright. Mom has her side. We also have the battery monitor. So here I have my fan, which works now. I'll turn it on so you can hear it. Opening up, and you can see it's working. There's the bracket, the frame around it. It's already been put in. And I finished the roof all the way out. So that's what it looks like. In between here, I'm gonna have these little slats all through each seam, so it's gonna look nice. And then we are gonna start doing the benches. One bench there, one bench here, with the probably about 12-inch shelves here, and the counter, the sink, and then we're gonna paint, and that'll be it. So I'm 5'8", and I'm standing inside. Yes, if I go up, I'm gonna hit the roof, yes. But it's not that bad. I did use 3/4 inch plywood on the floor to make sure that it's not gonna bow when you walk. And it's done really good. But if you're a little bit bigger than 5'8", you're gonna have to be kind of walking with your neck down. So just giving you guys tips. Other than that, the van's looking good, and I'll post some other videos as I get more work done.